Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Varun. Today I am going to discuss about the topic process of design thinking. Introduction to design thinking. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to problem solving. Human-centered design thinking is the diagram which shows the human-centered design diagram. It involves empathy, experimentation and iteration. The process of design thinking consists of 5 key stages. Empathize. The first stage of design thinking is to empathize with the users of or customers. This involves understanding their needs, motivations, and challenges. Techniques such as interviews, observations, and user research help gain insights. Define. The second step is design. Define. In the define stage, the problem or challenge is defined based on the insights gathered. The problem statement is created to guide the design process. This stage helps to gain a clear understanding of the issue at hand. Ideate. Ideation is the stage where creative solutions are generated. Brainstorming sessions encourage a free flow of ideas without judgment. Techniques like mind mapping, sketching, and rapid prototyping aid in idea generation. Prototype and test. Prototyping involves creating low fidelity representations of ideas. Testing these prototypes helps gather feedback and refine the design. Iteration is key in the stage to continuously improve the validate the solutions. Now we will go discuss about the some multiple choice questions which help us to read about the process of design thinking. Innovation is defined as the commercialization of a new product or process, the invention of a product or process, a new product or process idea, the implementation of a new production method. The option is first one A, the commercialization of a new product or process. Second question. Process innovation refers to the development of a new service, the development of a new product, the implementation of a new or improved production method, the development of new products or services. The answer is C, the implementation of a new or improved production method. Third question. The innovation can help to provide a temporary competitive advantage when barriers to entry are high. Option B, barriers to imitation are low and intellectual property rights are difficult to enforce. Option C, there are few other competitors. Option D, barriers to entry are low. Option B, barriers to imitation are low and intellectual property rights are difficult to enforce. Following establishment of a dominant design in the product life cycle, what would you expect to happen? Option A, emphasis on product innovation rather than process innovation. Option B, emphasis on process innovation rather than product innovation. Option C, competition to increase as new firms enter the industry. Option D, competition to decrease as more firms exit than enter the industry. Option B and option A is also same. Fifth question. Establishment firms relative to new firms are better at all types of innovation. Innovation which is competition enhancing, innovation which is competence destroying, innovation which is disruptive. Option B, innovation which is competence enhancing. Outstanding of innovation globally is more likely where? Option A, innovation are autonomous, innovations are synthetic, innovations are semantic or autonomous, innovations are made by service sector firms, innovations are autonomous. What is the first step in the design thinking process? Empathize, define, ideate, prototype. It is empathize as we discussed in the another slides. After you empathize, the next step is to prototype, test, define, ideate. It is define. After you define the problem, the next step is to option A, test, option B, prototype, option C, ideate, option D, empathize. The option is ideate. After you ideate, the next step is to option A, test, option B, prototype, option C, define, option D, empathize. Answer is option B, prototype. After you prototype, the next step is to test, define, ideate, empathize. The answer is test. The final step in the design process is to test, define, ideate, empathize. The option is test. You would interview a people to gain an understanding of how they feel during the dash stage of design thinking. Prototype, define, ideate, empathize. The answer is empathize. Thank you.